Hello friends, myself Dr. Veena Sakardande with my YouTube channel, that is Veena's Academic Realm. And last session we have seen about peri-operative nursing management part 1, that is pre-operative nursing management. And today we are going to start with the new session, that is part 2, that is intraoperative nursing management. So what is intraoperative nursing management? When the care is given to the patient, nursing care is given to the patient when patient is on operation table, till the time we shift the patient to the post anesthesia room or RA, that is recovery room. From that phase or time duration, nursing care given in different aspect is called as a intraoperative nursing management. We'll see now purposes of intraoperative nursing care, or we can say goal of intraoperative nursing management. So first goal, to maintain the safety of the patient and comfort of the patient with the side rails and different positioning and control of infection. Second, to maintain the hemostasis during different procedures, surgical procedures. Third one, to provide adequate supply and equipment, drugs for the surgical procedure. Next goal is to assist the surgeon for the surgical procedure. Then infection control measures, and next one is biomedical waste management. So these are the main goal of OT nurse in the OT. If you see in general, the main activities performed by the OT nurse, like we can say there are different OT nurses, circulating nurse, scrub nurse or anesthesia nurse. But the common care given, in general care given by the OT nurse, operation theatre nurse, is like first, maintaining the vital signs of the patient, oxygenation like nebulization, oxygen therapy, maintaining the fluid therapy, IV infusion, drug administration, monitoring of the patient. Next is the infection control measures, safety of the patient, like collection of samples also, and sending the sample to the lab, maintaining records and reports. Now we'll see who all are the members from surgical team. The first member and very important member is surgeon. Second is anesthesiologist. Third, circulating nurse. Next, scrub nurse. Then anesthesia nurse, operation theatre room technicians, multipurpose workers, electricians, and different other team as per need of the surgery. These are the team members called as a surgical team members in operation theatre. Intraoperative nursing care is provided by circulating nurse, scrub nurse, and nurse anesthesiologist. So here first we will see what is the role of scrub nurse, what she does. So mainly she has to scrub and assist for surgery. Second, she has to get ready with all equipment, supplies, whatever necessary as per the steps of the surgical procedure. Second, she has to check for the safety of the patient, like position of the patient, then while patient is taking respiration, what about the circulation, and so she has to monitor in between. Next, she has to check for the break into field, like sterility. She has to maintain the sterility during the procedure, and she has to assist for the surgical procedure, and she has a main role as a scrub nurse next to the surgeon, so providing all equipments. So she should have a thorough knowledge and skillful for providing the all different equipments, handling of the equipments, and maintaining the sterility, maintaining the comfort of the patient, biomedical waste management, and maintaining the infection control. Next is what is the role of circulating nurse. So circulating nurse, mainly she helps for the documentation, recording, reporting, supplying for additional instruments, counting of the sharp instrument, or whatever instrument is given, she makes the count of that, maintaining the count of that. Then she will work about the outside field, like informing the relatives, informing to the operation theatre technician and other team member. So main role of the circulating nurse is a, like we can say it is an external role or all-round role with the team member. Now we will see intraoperative role of nurse. So what is exactly general role or overall role of nurse in operation theatre? The first and very important role of nurse, OT nurse, is patient care. First priority goes to the patient care. That means nursing assessment of the patient when patient reach from the ward to the OT or pre-OT area. She has to receive all the documents, reports of the patient, concern of the patient, and she has a major role of assessing the patient, checking the vital signs, any fluctuation in the vital sign, patient psychology. She has to counsel the patient, talk with the patient, maintain good interpersonal relationship, maintain the IPR so that she come to know the problems of the patient. In oxygen therapy, if require nebulization, pre-medications, then again and again assessment of the vital signs, mainly pulse rate and the blood pressure and temperature. And next, counseling the patient along with the relatives. She has to talk with the relatives also in between and the patient, and pre-medication, and she has to shift the patient to the operation theatre table. So it is related to mainly basically patient care as per a need and requirement of the patient. Second role is coordination, team coordination with the team member or caring the patient with the coordination with the surgeon and anesthesiologist and other OT members. Next is the supply and equipments. What are the supply and equipments in the OT? What are the sharp instruments, then steel instrument, glass instrument? She has to maintain record of each and everything, count of that. Next is a drugs, making the all drug available for the emergency management, and she has to have a adequate stock of that. Next, making a list of surgical procedure day wise, like there are like 8-9 OTs. She has to maintain the list of OT, who will be the scrub nurse, circulating nurse, and who will be a nurse anesthesiologist. So she has to maintain all. So she has to coordinate everything like supply and equipment, availability of the drugs. She has to coordinate with the team members and different OT members, assessing the patient psychology, patient care, and in different aspects she has to always coordinate. Then she has to make the chart for the OT, like different, there will be different OTs. She has to make the like different OT, who will be the surgeon, what will be the surgery, who will be the circulating nurse, then the scrub nurse, and then nurse anesthesiologist. So she has to manage everything. Next is a very basic is a nursing education or continue nursing education to the nursing members, updating their knowledge and skill. Then teaching to the family member, counseling to the family members. She should be a like resourceful. Resourceful in the sense she should manage everything, like all the stocks related to, as I already said. Second, the teaching to the patient and the relatives. She should be a good counselor. Next is she has to manage biomedical waste management, which has a major role. Biomedical waste management, then infection control measures, then the prevention of like we can say maintaining the safety of the patient, security of the patient, maintaining the safety and security of the health team members also. Next very important role is like coordination, communication is very important role here. Communication, that means communicating the patient's condition to the patient's relatives and to the health team member, mainly to the surgeon also. Then next is a coordination with the recovery room or the ward. If you want to shift the patient, transferring of the patient, so she has to coordinate and communicate. Next is a like assessing the nursing activities or nursing care given to the patient, and whatever care given, evaluation of that, like patient is having pain, what nursing care is given for the pain. If bleeding is there, what nursing care is given for the bleeding, or whether patient is with the complication of anesthesia, what nursing care is planned and given. So she has to monitor the activities and nursing care given to the patient. Last and very important role of nurse in OT, that is documentation or maintaining all records and reports with the evidences, which is a vital role of OT nurse in the operation theatre. So today we have seen about the one of the very important topic from the perioperative nursing management, that is the second part, intraoperative nursing management. So hope you understood the topic.